Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And it's been over 3 weeks, almost a month, and El Diablo is due for its first maintenance. So I don't know how much it'll cost, but we'll see. So I'm inside a Sonoma Harley right now, and I totally messed up. I thought my appointment was today, but it's not until tomorrow, Wednesday. So we don't know. We'll see if they can get me in today. If not, I'll have to come back tomorrow. Alright, I take that back. They can actually get me in today. Jose is kind enough to squeeze us in here at Sonoma County Harley Davidson. So I was just checking the bike. But yeah, we will get our first maintenance done today. Like I said, I don't know how much yet. And I'm not sure what's all getting done. But I know it's not just an oil and filter change. So we'll see. Alright, catch you guys back later. Alright, so while I'm waiting, Phil, the owner of Sonoma Harley Davidson, wants me to hear the sound of his exhaust. So let's see. This is the SNS 50 state legal. Actually, not that bad. So we got the bike back. Took a little over 3 hours to do the maintenance. First service, 1,000 mile service on the lowrider ST El Diablo, and as you can see, it's over $500. What? No, I'm kidding. I already knew how not how much, but the range is, because it's pretty much the same across the board. Not the same, but on the dealers, I've bought like 3 bikes this year, and it's like 400, 600 for first maintenance. It is what it is. Now, if you don't want to pay that much, you can always do it yourself, of course. Just make sure you keep receipts and the proof that you did it. So if your engine blows or you need warranty work, they can't deny you. Anyway, that's not my topic. So I did it. Now I can rip on the bike. Yeah, every new bike that I buy, I always take it to the dealer, and then after that, I do the maintenance, the stuff that I can, not like valve adjustments on the S1000 now. So I do the oil on that after every couple of track days, and then the Goldwing after like a long ride. I do the fluids on that. But like what I said, for the first maintenance on every bike that I get, I take it to the dealer. So yep. Let me know what you think, comments, suggestions, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.